everybody. I am Chris, and you are on day 16 of your Move to Improve 30-day challenge. This gets you over halfway there. Isn't that exciting? Today I have for you a cardio HIIT style workout. You will need light dumbbells for this. I'm going to use 5 pounds for the entire thing. Okay. We have 6 exercises done for 45 seconds each and then repeated for 2 rounds. If you don't have dumbbells, you don't need them. You could always just go without. And if the dumbbells get too much, you can always put them down. Remember, when we're doing this, light dumbbells for something like this, it is not a strength training workout. Just because you have weights in your hands does not mean you're doing strength training, okay? For strength training workouts, we'd go a little bit heavier. And for the next 2 weeks, we are going to amp it up just a little bit. And I know you can do it. So don't get scared. Just do your best and try. And with that being said, we are going to get warmed up for day 16. All right, let's march. Right, left, right, left. Right. All right, so we're going to warm our bodies up here. Take a big breath in, exhale it out, and do that again for me. Take it up and exhale. Good. One more time. Up. Good. Okay, now you're going to walk up for 4. 1, 2, 3, tap. Back, 2, 3, tap. Walk to me and back. Okay, so now, maybe this pace is a little fast. Maybe it's not fast enough. You can take this at your own pace. Okay, to challenge yourself. Keep going. Good. Come on. Empower yourself to make decisions on whether or not this is going to be hard enough or it's going to be too easy. All right. Whatever you got to do, you do want to challenge yourself, right? So keep going. Good. Now, how about we pump your arms? Okay. Now, if you put arms and legs together, that makes you like, okay. Just do the best you can. All right, and we're going to take a step tap, arms up and down, up and down. 4, 3, 2, same legs, hold the arms out, palms up, curl, curl, curl. Keep going. And 8 more, 7 and 6. 4, 3, 2, hands down, tap wide, tap wide. They just had a little bit of a dip in the center there. Dip and dip and dip. Good. Okay, so it's not from here. It's bending the knees just a little bit. Good. 4, 3. How about we swing your arms? Swing them out. Up. Good. Keep going. Okay. 8. Move your body. That feels good, yeah? Go 4 and 3, 2, heels in front. Right heel, left heel. Right heel, left heel. Good. Right and left, right and left. Go 8, go 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3, keep coming, and 2, one more. 1, leave your right heel in the front. Push your hips back. I'm going to show you from the side. From there, I just want you to reach down and up, pushing your hips back. Okay, so what it's not is not this. Okay, see that? You want to actually push your hips back. Good. Hips back. Again. One more. Stop, switch left foot in front. Okay, so let me show you from the side again. Reach down and up. Now, some of you might be flexible enough to touch your toe. And if you can, go right ahead. But you don't have to. Good. Good. 2 more. 1 more. Nice. Big breath in the center. Up. Exhale. Roll those arms. Circle them back. Circle them back. Good. Keep going. And we're going to bring them forward. So forward for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now right here, what? Shrug your shoulders. What? What? Just tap last 8. It's 8. Keep going. And 7, just warming it up here. 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1 march it out. Okay, we're getting ready for your first HIIT segment, okay? So our first move is going to be jumping jacks. Okay, so modifications on the jumping jacks, you can tap out. Okay, that's your low impact. If you want a little higher, add a knee, okay? Or full on jack. Here we go, up. Okay, now you don't have to do that. I'm gonna keep it low. Good. Keep going, nice. Get those arms up nice and big. All right, now again, you're like, what, this is easy. If you can't jump, you can lift a knee up and that'll make it more intense because you're doing more by lifting your leg, right? Keep going, keep going. I'm gonna stay here, but know that there's always modifications. Come on. Up, up, come on, up, good. Push through, you can do it. This is move number 1. Good, and now you have a 15-second rest. So grab your dumbbells and watch your move, holding your dumbbells. You're gonna squat and press overhead. Okay, you ready? You are. Here we go. Squat and press. Squat. Now let's talk about this form. Your dumbbells come in front of your shoulders, but you're not rounding, okay? You're dropping your backside, okay? Some of you guys are gonna get deeper than other people. That's okay. You wanna go down to where you can go without rounding your back. So you wanna keep your back as straight as you can. Press the floor away with your feet. Keep going. Keep going. Up. Up. Good. Good, you're almost there. Pushing through it. 10 seconds left. Good. Up. Good, and put those down. So your next move you're gonna recognize from the Tabata day the other day where we did double knees. Double knees, okay? So we're gonna do that same thing in 3, 2, and double knee, double knee. Here we go. All right, so if you're really out of breath, hands can go here. If you need more intensity, arms up, up, okay? Good. Double knee, keep going. 2, and 2, good. 2, good. Work. Come on, you got this. You can do it. And stop. Woo. All right, we're gonna pick up your dumbbells again. All right, and you can do this without dumbbells if it feels better. You're gonna go punch, 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 punch. You're pushing across your body. You're gonna go push and push, push and push. Now, if 5 pounds feels too heavy for you, go without, okay? Tap, tap. Or you can go lighter, like 1 or 2 pounds. Good. Come on, again, you're not, all right? You're using strength through your shoulders. Good. Keep going. Notice I'm not on a beat on these because I want to go a little slower than this beat so I can keep my form nice. Good. Standing tall. Keep going. You're almost in this one. You got it. Good, 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 good. And stop. Put them down. Move number 5. Inner, inner, back, back. Now, if you can't figure that out, you could do all back or you could do all inner. So we're gonna go right here and back. Now, if you want some intensity, you could add the hop, but again, up, up, okay? No pressure to do something you're not ready for, all right? When you're ready, you'll try it, and you might surprise yourself. You're like, oh, I could do that, right? And if your knees hurt, you don't jump, that's okay too. You're moving your body's important. Keep going. Good, up, good, good, and up, and back, back, good. You're almost there. And stop. Okay, move number 6. Grab those dumbbells. You're gonna hold them by your side. Stand up tall. You're gonna go down to one side, up, and down to the other side. Don't let your shoulder, you just let those arms hang. Don't let your shoulder pull. Ready? Here we go. Side to side. So what are we doing with this? You're working those obliques. And obliques are the side of your abdominals, the side muscles of your abdominals, okay? So you say abs. People like, they call them all kinds of names, a little spare tire, love handles, that kind of thing, right? But the muscles in that area, right on the sides here, are called your obliques. Keep going. Good. And again, don't do this, okay? You're just going side to side. Perfect. Come on. Almost there. Good. And stop. Okay, so you're gonna put those down and you're gonna take a 1-minute break. Grab yourself some water. Now, listen, this is where a lot of people say, I'm done. I'm not gonna do round 2. Yes, you are. You're gonna do round 2 and it'll be over before you know it. I want you to convince yourself right now that you can finish round 2 because I know that you can, all right? You just got to do the best you can, whether that's taking the moves at a lower intensity or even just tapping, right? Stick with me. You can do it. All right, so in about 20 seconds, we're gonna do all of those again, all right? How are you feeling? Good? You're feeling good. All right, 10 seconds, we're gonna do all of them again. I'm gonna I got my timer right here that I'm watching from across the room. You ready? We're going with jacks, and let's go. Jacks, keep going. Nice, let me put my timer down. I'm with you. Come on. And jacks. Good, up. Good. Remember, you can do a high impact if you want, or add the knee, right? Always choices. No problems, just solutions. Good. Just so you know, I'm not always this positive. Right? We all have our moments, right? Keep going, just like you. Keep going. People think, oh, the woman on the screen must not ever be sad or in a bad mood. Yes, I am. Come on. And stop. Good. Okay? I'm also sometimes not motivated to work out. Okay? So, right here, we're going to your squat with your press. You ready? Say yes. Here we go. Squat and press. Squat and press. Good. Press. Good. Keep your abdominals strong here. So you're not rounding in your back. You're not leaning forward. Okay? And that comes with time. That comes with practice. That comes with strengthening your whole body. Getting flexible, doing some mobility, okay? Good, come on. Remember, again, moving your body, right? Makes such a difference in your not only physical state, but also your mental state. Now, when you first go into it, you might be like, oh, I don't want to. But when you're done, you're happy you did it. Stop, and you're proud. Good. All right, so we're gonna go back to your double knees. Breathe. That one gets your heart rate up a little bit. You're doing great, okay? You're on move 3. You can do it. Here we go. Double knee. Again, if you want to jump them, you can. If you don't want to use the arms to bring the impact down, maybe you're doing this, right? Keep moving. I had to get back on the beat there. Good. And up. Good. Nice. Come on. I sometimes get messages, people saying, I don't know how you do it, right? And how do you have the motivation? It's not motivation, believe me. We don't need to rely on motivation. We just need to rely on making the choices that are the right choice, right? The right choice of, you know what, I said I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it. Stop. Okay. Back to your jabs. Guys, don't leave me. You're almost there. You got 3 moves left. We're gonna punch across. Okay? You ready? And Go. Punch and punch and punch and punch. Good. Again, don't let your arm fall down. Go again. If you feel any pain in your shoulder, you can drop the dumbbells or you can go lighter. We're not doing this fast. Good. This is more about muscular endurance, right? Lightweight, high rep. Good. Come on. Good. Keep going, keep it going. Push through, come on. Smiles. Fake smile, I don't care. Give me a fake smile. Come on. Let's push, 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 push. 5 seconds left. Stop. Put them down. All right, 2 moves left. We have the inner, behind. Now again, you can do all inners. Okay? My German friends call that the Schublade. You ready? We go. Front, back, back. Front, and back. And you don't have to go at this pace. You can go whatever pace feels good for you. Let's go. Up, and back. Good. Nice. Up. Good. Okay, notice what you're feeling in your body right now. Are you like, whew, I'm sweating, right? Again, that means you're alive. That means you're working. Good. Come on. And up, and back. Yes, everybody, we have one more move, and that is your side bends, okay? Are you ready? Say yes. Okay, remember, we stand. Don't let your heels lift up. Stand solid into the floor. To the right, and up to the left. Good. I know it's tempting when you come up to go like this, but try to just let those weights hang heavy in your arms so that your shoulder is not lifting up, okay? Just side bend. Your side bend might also just be here, okay? Your side bend might just be a little to the side and not all the way down, all right? Choose what feels good for you. Nice side to side. Good. Keep going. Nice. 10 seconds. 5. And stop. Fantastic. Put those down. I'm going to have you put your legs out like they were and then put your right arm up and stretch it over. Now don't skip this part. This is important, right? Cooling it down. Good. Hold it. And let's go to the other side. You did it. Wait a minute. You did it, right? Did you think maybe you're like, maybe I'm gonna bail out on that second set and you stuck with it? That's the comment today. I stayed for both sets, okay? Or I stayed for both rounds. Put your right heel in front, hips go back, hands on your left leg, not on your right. Be aware right now. Right leg is in front, toe is up. Hands on your left. All right? Hold it there. Breathe. Beautiful. Really flex those toes. Come on up and switch sides. Left leg front, the toe is up. Push your hips back and put your hands on your right thigh, not on a straight leg. Good. Hold there. You will protect those knees. Beautiful. Just hold it, breathe, flex those left toes. And flexing means coming toward your face. Pointing would be down. Flexing is up. Good. Come on up. Roll the shoulders back. Roll the shoulders back. Good. Now push your palms down and drop your head to the left. Take it up and drop your head to the right. Take it up. Give me a big breath in. Hands together and bring them to your heart. Guys, you completed day 16. You're more than halfway there. You're doing great. And remember, in the comment section, say it. I completed both rounds or both sets, whatever you want to call them. You did great. I will see you tomorrow for day 17. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Bye-bye.